To temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, start by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device and logging in if you aren't already. Once you're in, head to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, look for the three horizontal lines, the hamburger icon, in the top right corner, and tap on that to access the menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy, then navigate to the Account Center. In the Account Center, go to Personal Details and find the option for Account Ownership and Control. Tap on that, then choose Deactivation or Deletion. Here, you can select Deactivate Account, which might require you to log in again for confirmation. After that, you'll need to pick a reason for deactivating your account before hitting Continue. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping on Deactivate Account. Once you've completed these steps, your account will be hidden until you decide to log back in, and you'll retain all your data and content for when you're ready to return. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe.